The Tecno Spark 20 Pro Plus is a mid-range smartphone that packs a lot of desirable features for its price, especially in display and camera, though it has some trade-offs. It comes with a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, Gorilla Glass front, and IP53/dust resistance. Under the hood is a MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate chip paired with 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage. Battery is 5000 mAh, with 33W wired fast charging. On the camera side, it has a 108MP main rear sensor, wide f/1.8, with PDAF plus a 2MP macro lens. Up front, there's a 32MP selfie camera. Photos in daylight are mostly excellent, sharp, well-detailed, especially when using 12MP binning by default, with low noise and vivid colors, though sometimes a bit saturated. Dynamic range is decent though highlights can clip. The 108MP full resolution mode boosts fine detail but increases noise and demands good lighting. For portraits, skin tones are natural, but background separation isn't perfect and there are occasional errors. Low light performance is acceptable. There's a super night mode that helps bring more detail, reduce noise, and improve shadow areas, though fine textures and contrast drop in tougher lighting. Video recording is capped at 1440p at 30fps on rear camera, 1080p at 60fps also available. Front camera similarly up to 1080p, with optional noise suppression/stabilization modes but no optical image stabilization, so motion shots suffer somewhat. Overall, the Spark 20 Pro Plus does very well in good lighting for both photos and selfies, and offers good value by giving you high megapixel sensors, a smooth display, decent battery, and fast charging, though its weaknesses are more visible in low light, with zoom limited, digital/in sensor, and without a truly flagship camera setup. If you mostly shoot in daylight or well-lit interiors, this phone is a compelling choice. If night photography, optical zoom, or ultra-wide shots are priorities, you might find areas where it falls short.